We're standing in Surprise, Arizona. I'm Lisa Noldan, your local realtor. I wanted to show you the Prasada community. It's built by Fulton Homes, and we're having a huge community built here, guys. So we have 4 different types of communities here, and I'm gonna show you the Sierra Nevada collection. But before I show you the walkthrough, I wanted to just, talk a little bit about the community. So we're gonna have a huge aquatic center with a big pool, splash center, awesome things for the kiddos. And we're also gonna have 2 different parks. But the best thing about this is location, location, location. The biggest shopping center is being built behind us. So we have the biggest Target, we're gonna have American Furniture Warehouse, we have every single type of food place you can imagine. It's just amazing outdoor shopping center, okay? So with all those things, let's now take a look through the model home. Today we're located at Fulton Homes in Surprise in the San Joaquin model. It's part of the Sierra Nevada collection. So let's take a look at the home, okay? We have 2 bedrooms right over here and a full bath there for you. This home is typically 3 beds, 2.5 baths. We would have typically your car here, but it is a sales room as of right now. You have a flex room over here. You can do what you want with it or enclose it into an additional bedroom. You have the chef's kitchen that's included in all Fulton Homes here. You can also switch from electric to gas appliances over here. You're gonna have another set of bedroom and half bathroom here. This is your laundry room located. Beautiful cabinetry. You can also get a kitchen or a sink, sink there if need be. Over this way, you're gonna have your nice spacious living room and dining area and a master bedroom back this way. You're gonna have a walk-in closet located that way. And then you're gonna have your beautiful spacious bathroom this way. If you follow me out through the living room, I'll show you the gorgeous backyard. Now we're gonna step into the backyard through the beautiful atrium doors here. Spacious backyard, and if you look over that way, you have beautiful mountain views. I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough of the beautiful Fulton model. I wanted to note on a few things before we end the video. So I know a lot of people want to know why a new build and why should I have representation outside of a new build. So let's touch on that. New builds are amazing right now with interest rates not at the best place. They have great incentives, they have buy downs, things that just a normal resale can't really match. When it comes to having me represent you as a buyer's agent, remember, they have agents here at Fulton, but they represent Fulton. I would be representing you, going to bat to negotiate the best deal, best incentives, everything we can for you. So if new builds kind of pique your interest or you're looking for a home, make sure to reach out to me. We're running a special promotion when it comes to this video here for Fulton. So reach out to me today and let's chat. With all that being said, make sure to look down below. All my information that you can reach me at is listed below here. So go ahead and reach out to me today.